Hi guys, so in the last episode you were watching at the story of the city named Transylvania, in which people were living their life with full of joy and peacefulness. Unfortunately, on one day, a murder happened, which changed everybody's life. The police department was not ready at all for such a case. Each and every member were reported to be in the alert mode instantly. The news of the murder was all over the media in no time. Rumors started rising, and now it was the time for the police department to prove themselves and catch that murderer. The police force reached the crime scene and saw three dead bodies lying on the floor. The dead bodies were of the Foster's family. It was a family living in harmony with all the people nearby. The family was so good to be murdered. All three were of the same family, and by inspecting, the conclusion was found that the murder happened on the same day as well as at the same time. All of them were brutally wounded, with the blood reaching till the doorsteps, from which the neighbor came to know about this mishappening. The site was fully quarantined, and no one was allowed to trespass. Everyone in the city were informed to stay at their residence, and none of the citizens were allowed to leave the town till the investigation is active. No murder weapon was found on the crime scene, but on cleaning the wound, they came to know that the weapon is unknown to the directory itself. It was a completely different kind of weapon because it left an elliptical wound. This thing led to confusion in the minds of police. So forensics team was called in the crime scene and a thorough investigation started. Every corner of the room was checked, but there was no sign of evidence. Also, the door was not broken, which clearly showed that there was no forceful entry. Either the Fosters know the murderer or he had the door keys with him. It also came to know that it was a clear murder case because everything in the house was intact, which shows no sign of robbery. No fingerprints other than the Fosters were found in the residence, not even on the doorknob. This clarified that the murder was brutal and smart too. The whole police department were bewildered, as it seemed to be the cleanest murder in the history. To see other blood spits, one of the officers of the forensic team decided to do an UV light investigation of the whole house to know if the murderer attempted to wash out the fingerprints or not. Still, there was no sign of fingerprints intact or washed. But when the UV light struck the mirror, a policeman's attention was drawn by a mysterious thing.